This is my mummy and this is me.
Okay, and today we're going to make carrot top pesto. And some of you might be growing carrots at the moment, or we got these from our locavore box, little nod to a fellow sustainable food organisation. And there's no point wasting these greens, so what we're going to do is, first of all, we've already washed them. We're going to chop them off. And whoop, put the carrots aside for another delicious dish of some description. Right, what do you think we could do now?
Eat them.
Do you want to try a bit raw?
No.
You can if you want.
A little bit.
Okay, I'll try a bit too. What do you think?
Tasty.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just roughly dicing up the carrot tops because they're surprisingly tough, so you do want to cut them up a bit before you put them in the blender. Now, can you help me put some of this into the blender? So don't overfill your blender to start with because it won't blend properly basically. So start with a bit, you can always add in more. Now, next ingredient, nuts. Yeah. So pesto we traditionally have pine nuts, but they're really expensive, so cashew nuts are a lot cheaper. Right, I'm not measuring proportions, I'm just going to blend it and then taste it and then change the proportions as I go along if I need to.
I can taste it too.
Yeah, no, definitely. Right, now, garlic.
Garlic. Can I use some?
Yeah, can you peel these for me?
Okay.
Right, I'll just crush it a bit and then it'll be easier for you to peel it. You want quite a lot of garlic because once you mix this around pasta or whatever, it'll taste much milder than you expect, so don't be afraid to add lots of vampire repelling and midge repelling garlic. So we've got carrot tops, cashew nuts, garlic. Put in a glug of olive oil.
Wow.
Can you do this for me?
Okay. How much do we need?
We'll start out with that. And then we screw on the top of this because this blender works in that way. Give it a shake.
Put it in there.
And then it's going to be noisy. You ready to cover your ears? I think we might need to give this, not quite sweetie, getting there. Give it a bit of a stir to mix the different parts up. And see how it's going. Right, I think it needs a bit more oil. Okay, try that now. Do you think it needs more garlic or anything? Or is it strong?
It's too spicy.
Too spicy for you? Okay, you put in a bit more oil. Oh, of course, the other thing that you can add if you want to is Parmesan cheese. That would be one of the traditional ingredients, but we're not bothering today because it's lovely even without and vegan without too.
Finish. Is it finished?
Can I try it now?
It looks like glass. It looks like glass because it's smooth.
Does it get a thumbs up?
A bit too spicy.
Too spicy. We'll have to mix it into pasta. What do you think? Yeah. So just a final recap of the ingredients. Carrot tops are 4 carrots, maybe 3/4 of a garlic, 150 grams of cashew nuts, fair bit of olive oil. Nothing else added, though you could add Parmesan if you wanted to. And I have a jar, almost 2 jars of delicious pesto. I'm going to freeze one and I'm going to keep one in the fridge and use it in the next couple of days because obviously with no preservatives it won't keep as long as shop bought pesto, but it's much nicer.